Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your keyboard app supports live backgrounds. This saves time and avoids incompatible installs. Install a trusted live keyboard wallpaper app and open it. Make sure you grant input method and storage permissions when prompted. If the app needs overlay or accessibility access, enable it in settings. This lets the wallpaper render behind keys. Once done, switch your default keyboard to the target app so you can immediately test the live wallpaper during the setup steps that follow. Open the live wallpaper app and pick a live animation or import your GIF/video. Choose the one sized for keyboards or crop to 16:9 if needed. Next, adjust opacity so keys stay readable and lower animation speed to save battery. Use interaction settings to disable touch effects behind keys if it causes input lag. Then select your keyboard as the target or export the theme to the keyboard app. This step transfers the visual while preserving typing responsiveness. Apply the live wallpaper theme inside your keyboard app and immediately test typing in messages and a browser so you can spot legibility or performance issues. If you notice lag, reduce the animation resolution, lower frame rate, or disable extra particle effects. These steps free CPU and battery. Make sure overlays aren't blocked by security settings. If problems persist, restart the keyboard app, clear cache, or reinstall the wallpaper plugin. One key troubleshooting tip: switch to a static image to confirm the problem is animated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.